How to fix printer is in an error state. So if you want to fix your printer is in an error state, then first you need to open up your control panel, search for control panel and click and open it up. And after that, go with hardware and sound. And under hardware and sound, you'll have devices and printers. Go with that. After that, you need to go with printers and scanners. Under printers and scanners, you need to scroll down and here you will have troubleshoot option. Click on troubleshoot and it will start detecting the problems. So if you have any problems, then it will detect your problem. And once you run the troubleshoot, you can simply close that. And after that, you need to go with your printer or scanners. So for example, I'll be choosing the Canon and then open print queue. And here you will have your print queues, right? So you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then you need to clear all of the print queues or print jobs that you have right here. So I don't have anything, I've already removed it. So you just need to simply go and remove, and you can also remove this printer from your device and again connect that printer and it might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, you just need to simply go back and you need to open up your services. Once you're under the services, you need to go and search for print spooler and you need to right click on it and then restart the service. Once you've restarted the service, you need to go with properties. Under properties, make sure the startup type is automatic and then go with apply and OK. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with CMD, which is command prompt, and go with run as administrator. Click on yes, and you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter a command, which I'll be just pasting in the description below. So you just need to simply copy the command and paste it right here. Once you enter the command, you just need to simply hit the enter. And after that, you will have the next command. You just need to simply copy and paste the next command and again hit the enter. And after that, your print spooler service will be stopped. And after that, you just need to simply remove that and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.